And before we get started with the unboxing, I want you to know that I included a link to this product in the description below. The product, by the way, is available on Etsy. Again, the link to this product is in the description below. Hey, welcome back to the Capitation Channel. Today, we're doing something a little different. Let's go read on an unboxing. The unboxing, as you can see on the screen, is for my new journal cover, leather journal cover. It's a moleskin carrier, what that is. And it's designed to handle field note cover, personalized gift with refillable pocket cover. This is on Etsy, $13.97. So let's go ahead and take a look and see what they got. I will mention this took about. I will mention that this actually came all the way from Ukraine, so it took a couple weeks to get here, but it got her nonetheless. Let's go over here. Unless I'm mistaken, I may have had my initials added to the cover also. If I can get it out of the envelope. So here this is. It is black leather. It was the advertisement. Be very careful here now, don't I don't know if you can see it or not. You can see I actually got my initial DJJ on the screen. Black leather. It's a very smooth, nice leather. Let's try to put a field note in here. And there you have it.